So change therefore is a phenomena in which an substance or an object undergoes becomes different in its shape, size, its physical structure, and even in its chemical composition. So today we are going to talk about slow changes and fast changes, reversible and irreversible changes, and chemical and physical changes one by one. So slow changes. Slow change means which take a longer duration of time, like making of curd. It is a slow change. It takes 3 to 4 hours. I took an iron chain, put it in the water for few weeks. You can see there is a reddish brown coating known as rust on it. So this is also a kind of slow change. If we look around our hairs, they take a longer duration of time to grow. So slow changes, they are some of the changes, they are taking longer duration of time, so they are known as slow changes. Now we are going to demonstrate some fast changes. I have prepared cheese from the milk. It took me hardly few minutes. So it is a kind of fast change. If I burst this balloon, so it is a fast change. So there are so many changes around us which are taking place with a speed, like lightning, thunder, tsunamis, and many more to name about. So now we are going to take the example of some physical changes. Physical changes are the changes in which no new substance is formed, only the shape of the object, like I have taken a paper. If I fold it, so it is a physical change. I have taken a cloth piece, handkerchief. If I fold it, it is a physical change. So these are some of the examples of physical change, like melting of ice is a physical change because we can get water out of it. We can change the water, and water molecular structure of the both the things are same. So these are some of the physical changes. Now I am going to talk about some chemical changes. Here I have taken a turmeric solution. Turmeric solution, when we add a detergent in it, turmeric is an indicator. When I dissolve some detergent in it, see, you can see the yellow color of the turmeric has changed into red color. So turmeric is a indicator and detergent is a base, and because of this chemical reaction new substance has formed, and this is of red color. The color of the substance has changed due to the chemical reaction. Here is one more interesting activity for you. There is a vinegar in this bottle, and I have put some baking soda in this balloon. Let's see what happens. See, when I add this, it will take a bit time, but see, the balloon is blowing because of carbon dioxide produced during this reaction. So this is also a chemical change. Now if we talk about burning of candle. Burning of candle is again a chemical change. Burning of candle is again a chemical change because so many things in it are changing. The wax is changing into molten condition, is melting, and is changing into vapors. And this thread is also changing, so it is a chemical change. Now let's talk about some reversible changes. When you take some sand in water, when you dissolve some sand in water, see what happens. Sand is dissolved in water, but I stir it. Can I separate this sand from water? Yes. If I take any filter paper, I do filtration or decantation, I can separate sand from water. I will get a clear solution. So it is also a reversible change. Melting of ice, freezing of ice, boiling of water, changing into vapors, and again condensation of water and changing into water is a reversible change. We can also have some other changes like stretching of rubber band. It comes back to its original position, so it is also a reversible change. Now let's take some example of irreversible changes. One more example of reversible change you can see paper folding. Paper folding is a reversible change, but if we tear the paper, would we get the paper back again, same size of paper? No. So let's do one more experiment. I have a candle and I am burning the paper. What will happen? The paper is going to change into ash. You can see the condition of the paper has changed it into a powdery substance known as ash. We cannot get this paper back now. The conditions, the changes in which we are unable to get the things back, they are known as irreversible changes. It is also a chemical change because we are getting new substance, ash from it. I hope you have liked all my activities. There is one more activity. So go back home, cut some fruits. This is a physical change and have them. Let's enjoy our activities and enjoy your day. Here is some art integration activity in which I have pasted samples of different types of changes. Thank you.